Was they were young. Everybody had their texts at their back like that. They had their texts at their back like a goat.
I have some small video for you. Let's watch this video and I have some comments to comment this video. Let's watch it with this short video.
That's why you say the work of God. If that is what you are talking about, then the next he knows the details. It doesn't matter the theology you've learned. The scripture the prophet knows you don't know. You are a theologian teacher higher. You need to come back and learn. When you meet Pastor Kennedy, ask him. When you meet Pastor Prince, ask him. When you meet Pastor Chief, ask him. There is no way there's a scripture that I can't give it to you. Because go to the prophet that's taught them. They were numerous. But those that learn the Bible seriously, God to it has helped them. They know the Bible. They really know the Bible. Because the prophet has taught them. They came to the prophet early. Whilst they were young. Everybody had their texts at their back like that.
Viewers, I apologize. I'm continue.
Whilst they were young. Everybody had their texts at their back like that.
Yes, I have video. Yes, I have. Just a minute. Let's watch the video. Let's watch the video. Just a minute.
Whilst they were young. Everybody had their texts at their back like that.
You have said your own, but I think you have to come again.
Whilst they were young. Everybody had their texts at their back like that. Whilst they were young. Everybody had their texts at their back like that.
Jesus.
They had their texts at their back like a goat. And they brought it. God through the prophet has prospered them.
Yourself the season.